kubire kuri okujweka abazarisa n'abanasi za certificate na za diploma okomurundo gwa kabiri ahari Uganda Mater School of Nursing and Midwifery omuri Ibanda.
Two, I want to request you to the principal to put it in writing, especially the computers, because we are going to ask them from the Ministry of ICT.
Minisita yahanangirize abashaho aba obutejumbera omukutangira oruzaro abici bato ekihangara tarikwikyaraza.
It's not allowed. We do not have a policy, and our country does not allow to involve yourself in giving contraceptive for teenage and young people.
Most developmental projects here are the efforts of parents, apart from the few buildings that were donated by government and the European Union.
Abazarsa hamwe n'abanansi abarukurenga omuri 5 nibo bajwekirwe kandi Archbishop Lambert Binumugisha omu kitambo kya misa nabo abakomire entanda.
You learn from every patient. So don't think that the only part of the library is where you go to get books and turn pages and learn. But every patient is a book for you.
But I appreciate all of you, the fathers, the sisters, everybody in the church, for making health and training for health a priority for our country.
We believe that together we can enhance the image of our profession.
Gashakwa Timose Mushabi.
I want to recognize